Okay, nicely moving on to our next bout, which is a C-class pro-am bout. Making their way to the red corner, fighting out of Arkan, Muay Thai, Tamir, Hussain.
Red corner, we have Tamir Hussain from Carly Camp Gym. I'm not sure what flag he was holding. Green, white, red. I think it was Iran.
He was holding the Bangladesh flag.
Was it Afghanistan?
Definitely Bangladesh flag.
Or was it Bangladesh?
Bangladesh flag,
Oh, it's Bangladesh.
Yes. It was one of your flags, this.
Yeah, it was. Japanese flag in green. The whole Amal Shunar Bangla.
And he's up against this Arkan Hussain
From Sheffield. We have Arkan Hussain.
Very good fighter, this Arkan Hussain. I seen him fight in the last legacy show. He was pretty well composed.
Arkan Hussain wearing the white Palestinian flag, the Palestinian scarf. The keffiyeh.
This trend was brought on by Nam Sok Noi. Nam Sok Noi from Thailand.
Ah, right.
He's a Muay Thai legend. Yeah, Nam Sok Noi, whenever he used to come into the ring, he always wore this Palestinian
Oh, I understand,
scarf.
yeah. So it's showing his support for the victims of Gaza.
And now he's going to do the Ramwe.
I don't know who I need to pick now. The Bangladesh flag and support Palestine. I'm a fan of both now.
Like I said, I've seen Arkan fight on the previous legacy show. He was pretty strong and he's well composed.
They're both fighting at lightweight today. 56 kilo. That's featherweight. Prince Nassim's weight. And Tamir Hussain is sealing off the ring, as they do in Thailand, to keep the gins out.
Which gym is Tamir Hussain from?
Tamir Hussain's from a place called Carly Camp.
Is that where
I think it's somewhere in Crawley or somewhere.
Oh, Crawley.
I think it is anyway. Well, Carly Camp might be named after somebody called Carly Camp, or in memory of somebody called Carly Camp. I'm not 100% sure. I'll do a search afterwards. But I'm very impressed by Arkan Hussain's traditional Ramuai. His Ramuai was actually unique. It was totally different to the previous Ramuais I've seen.
Yeah, like I said, they all copied the tradition from the Nam Sok Noi era. Nam Sok Noi is a Muay Thai legend, 4-time world legend.
I understand, right.
And this is how it started off.
What's the name? Nam Song?
Nam Sok Noi.
Nam Song Noi. Okay. And is any specific specifics why his Ramuai is different?
Well, he just wanted to make it different. He's the best Ramuai practitioner in Thailand.
I understand, because different Ramuais have got different names.
And he's won quite a lot of awards for his Ramui as well.
I understand. There we go, first round. Good high kick.
High point kick there from Arkan Hussain.
And then the left little kick scores.
Starting off very slowly in the blue corner. Testing his opponent out.
We're both feeling each other out, but they're fighting very strategically.
Yeah.
Arkan test. Oh, scored with a high kick there, Arkan did. Never getting close in the clinch. Is his hip through him?
Red corner was strong in the clinch there.
Scored with a right body kick. An inside leg kick. Scored with an inside leg kick.
He's very strong.
Tamir's thrown him down again.
Very strong in the clinch there, showing his power.
Take the leg, he absorbs the leg kick to close him down. Left body kick. Left jab, left body kick.
It's got a very mysterious walk down, this Tamir Hussain.
Well, has he done some karate style before?
No idea, boys. Very different type of a walk down.
He's very accurate at left kick.
There's his crowd shouting.
Arkan's got a big crowd.
He's got a big crowd going on.
The Lord's moved ringside deliberately. Shouts out the commentary. But yeah, I find Tamir's style to be interesting.
Yes.
I can't put my finger on it, but I can't help but think that he's done similar martial art before. Do you think he might maybe from an MMA background?
He's definitely got a Thai style. But,
What's that?
He's definitely got a Thai style.
Okay.
But his movement is very interesting.
It is. He's covered in overhand, Tamir. He's gone straight for the leg catch, bringing it to grappling range. He's showing he's stronger in the clinch. Almost seems like he's got from a Greco-Roman background.
Yeah, he's walking in.
Landing side knees, and he's showing his strength in the wrestling. He's very accurate that round knee,
Red corner's
side
quite
knee.
strong in the knees. I think he's going to keep going forward and playing into the clinch, the red corner.
That's exactly what he seems to be doing.
He's not going to give Arkan a chance to throw any roundhouse kicks.
Arkan's doing very well to neutralise the round knees. I think he's become wise to round knee.
Referee breaks him up, and I think he's going to step back in for the clinch again.
He's took him down straight away.
Yeah.
I know he's got a Thai style, but I wouldn't be surprised if he'd done some Greco-Roman before. Round knees again.
He's got his clinching in there again.
Round
And I
knee.
think he's scoring really well in the clinch, the red corner.
He is, isn't he?
And he's landing some very good knees.
It's probably for that style of Muay Thai they call Muay Thai.
Again, in the clinch, and he's scoring really well. I think he knows his opponent's game, that he's going to land in the high point kick. Blocks the shot and steps in and clinches with him. Landing more clean knees, outscoring his opponent.
Yeah, it seems that his main aim is cut off the puncher and kicker, bring it into grappling and clinch.
That's correct, yeah.
But I wouldn't be surprised if he actually has wrestled.
Could have been, but majority of the Thai training is in the clinching, so...
Fair enough. I just find that the way he approaches the clinch seems very wrestling style.
I mean, he's closing the distance and obviously taking his shot where it won't be as powerful.
I know Muay Thai does a lot of clinch, but I do think that the way he approaches the clinch is very wrestling style. I might be wrong, but
I think
he's dabbled with it.
He's putting the range down to cut off his power from the kicks.
Or he might really have wrestled as normal wrestling.
He's going to take the shot.
Good right hand over the top. Arkan scoring with the kicks.
And all he wants to do is clinch with him, closing him down.
Tamir's not interested in kicks. He's just interested in closing the distance.
So as you can see, Arkan is on the back foot now, moving around.
Oh, flying knee! A flying knee from Tamir. That was very good reflex from the ref.
Very nice catch out on the kicks.
Catching and the changes of the game to wrestling.
I think Arkan is finding it difficult to keep up with him in the clinch. And he's scoring on the kicks, but he's being outscored in the clinch.
Oh, good uppercut from Arkan.
Being outscored in the clinch there.
I swear Tamir has actually wrestled before, I can tell by his approach.
You can see Arkan on his foot there, moving around, trying to stay out of the clinch, landing his shots, scoring with his punches and kicks.
Yeah, Arkan boxes very well. But Tamir is making him difficult to score to find his range.
I think that clinching is tied in Arkan now a bit, with the knees.
But Tamir is a clinch specialist. That was the third round.
That was the third round. This is the fourth round coming up.
He's holding his arms up in the air like he's already won. There's still 2 rounds to go. Round 4 and 5 make a big difference.
Game could be changed, you never know. The red corner is going to tell their opponents to close the distance and clinch more, whereas the blue corner is probably going to tell their opponent to box and kick. And he is finding a lot of success in his boxing.
It's
and
almost
kicking.
like the MMA fights where it's a kickboxer versus wrestler. As predicted, Tamir's closed the distance straight away.
And he is pretty strong in the clinch, the red corner.
He is very strong in the clinch.
And he is outscoring him. That's a big score, that, stepping up, slipping the kick.
That's right. And they're scoring more. The breakaway. And they're back in. He's doing a lot of feinting to get into range, to get close.
He's got Arkan on his back foot, close the distance, here we go with the clinch again. Keeping active with the knees, scoring well.
He's scoring very well with the round knees.
I think Arkan needs to step around and throw roundhouse kicks more. I think he needs to move around more and avoid the clinch.
He does. That's the only chance. He's not going to beat him in the clinch.
He needs to fight on the outside as opposed to the inside.
Tamir is very good at turning him in the clinch.
Oh,
And he's took him down again. This is too strong.
He's showing his power there, taking him down.
And it's grabbed him in the clinch. That was a good long right knee. Long knee. Round 5 is coming up.
I think that was the red corner, the round 4.
I think Arkan needs a knockout to win.
Yeah.
Or knocked down at least. He's still looking at how they both are. Tamir still looks strong.
Yeah, I mean,
He don't look too. He's tired, but he's hiding his fatigue. It looks like he can still do another 3 rounds.
I think he's going to come out even stronger in the 5th round.
That's what I'm thinking.
Closing his opponent down and clinching him and like scoring with the knees.
Oh, he's very strong, this Tamir.
And you can tell his corner's telling him to clinch more. And Arkan needs to go for the back there.
Arkan's getting gum shield. Away they go. Show of respect for the last round. Tamir blocks all the kicks, lands a solid right hand, a solid long knee. Takes a kick like it's nothing. Takes another kick. Catches the leg. Goes straight for the clinch. Elbow! Go for the elbows now. Arkan's using the body shots. Bit too late for these body shots now. Arkan's Tamir's scoring very well with the round knee. Round knee.
I think he threw some very clean elbows there.
This is the water that Tamir swims in.
He's not holding him back though, that's for sure.
He's taking him down again. Good uppercut. He's walking him down again. Block and kick.
He knows.
Come over an elbow, and then a round knee.
Very successful.
A straight knee, and again a round knee, and a round knee again. A straight knee, and then a round knee, and then a straight knee, and a round knee. It's like a pattern here. Straight knee, and round knee, and then
Awesome, he's scoring really, really well there.
take the elbows, right, straight and round knee.
I think Arkan took some very, very good knees.
Well, good fight, but I think I'd hazard a guess to say Tamir would probably have taken this.
Oh yeah, I think he's definitely taking the fight. He's outscoring his Arkan Hussain.
He has.
And I think he was very strong in the clinch.
And he's still. Oh, okay. He's showing. He is human. He's showing fatigue after all.
I think Arkan did hurt him in one of the rounds.
Imagine trying to fight somebody like that, somebody who doesn't feel pain.
I knew a guy like that from Oldham who just never felt pain when he was going in for fights.
Tell me more.
He was he was known as Thai. He was an old school Thai fighter. He was originally from Sheffield. He was called Aziz.
Yeah.
Fortunately, he has passed away.
June.
And he was one tough cookie.
Okay, once again, big round of applause, please, for both fighters.
That was a very good fight. Both of them deserve a round of applause for that.
Your judges' decision for your winner in the red corner,
Deserved.
Tamir Hussain.
He was so tough, that guy is.
Strong in the clinch.
I swear he's wrestled. He's definitely wrestled.
There you go, the Bangladesh flag is coming
Exactly.
A big
Bangla power.
round of applause, please, to his opponent.
I bet you're proud of that fight, man.
Very proud of him, yeah.